Hi guys, my name is Michelle Blackwood. I'm so excited because guess what guys? I have another amazing recipe. This one is a new one for my website and new for my YouTube family. So let me tell you about this recipe. It's one of the most delicious muffin recipes that you will ever make. The texture is right, the flavor is great. It's pistachio muffins. But guess what? It's also vegan and gluten-free and tastes phenomenal. Are you seeing one of my videos for the very first time? If so, please subscribe to this channel, become part of the Healthier Steps family, and share this video so that we can continue to grow and spread the love, and not only the love, spread these amazing recipes so that people can learn more how to make healthy recipes without the use of any animal products. There's no milk, no egg, no dairy. So let's get started. For this muffin, the first thing I'm going to add is my flour. I'm using gluten-free flour, and I'm just using an all-purpose brand. You can find that at local health food store. You can find gluten-free flour even at Walmart here in the USA. So next we're adding powdered sugar. So what you can do is you can get regular sugar, turbinado, sugar in the raw, and put it in a high-speed blender, and you blend it and turn it into powdered sugar. And we're adding that because it will give your muffin a lighter texture, almost cake-like. Next, we're adding some almond flour. Also, that gives a nice, soft, spongy texture to your batter. And I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add my ground flaxseed. I like to use golden flaxseed because it's light in color. I don't like to use a darker one unless I'm doing a recipe that has a darker color. So, golden flaxseed, you can find that even at Bob's Red Mills online or in the local health food store. Next, I'm adding the king or the queen of this dish, pistachio. Beautiful crumb texture, it'll give your muffin nice flavor. You've got to try it, especially around the holidays. Okay, next I'm going to add my baking powder, and I'm adding my Himalayan pink salt. I prefer to use Himalayan pink salt because they said it has more nutrients. It has all those minerals in it. It's not just pure sodium chloride as in table salt that spikes your sodium level. So especially if you high blood pressure, that would be the salt of choice. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients, and I'm just loving the color with the pistachios, the green color. And what you could do is, I didn't do it, but say you wanted the muffins to have a green color, what you would do is take some spinach leaves with some water. You're gonna blend them into a puree. You're gonna cook it first. Cook your spinach, just cook it with some water on the stove. Then you're gonna blend it with some water, strain it, or even if you have a high-speed blender, just add the puree to your batter and your muffins will be green. Just a little tidbit, another extra steps to do, and adding more color and nutrients because you know your spinach is high in protein, has calcium in it, and extra fiber. So next I'm going to add juice. You can add the juice of choice. You can add orange juice, pineapple juice, you can add apple juice, whatever juice you love to add, go ahead and add some juice to it. And then you're gonna add some citrus zest. So whether it be lime or lemon or orange, whatever zest that you have on hand, go ahead and add your zest. So today I'm gonna do some lemon. Some days I do orange. It doesn't matter, you'll have an amazing flavor. And here we are adding some vanilla extract. So there it is, perfect batter. Look at that, guys. Perfect batter. Smells amazing in here. And it's not even baking as yet. Look at that. So now I'm gonna add my batter. Make sure it's all mixed out. There's no little pockets of flour in the batter. Okay. And then I'm gonna add them by the spoonful to my muffin prepared. You wanna prepare your muffin pan. I like to line mine with paper liners. Sometimes I use silicone as well. But I also give it an extra little spray because sometimes they stick. So I'm just adding them, and with gluten-free baked goods, you can go ahead and fill your muffins to the top because they don't normally rise as much as regular flour. So if you want to have that rise, they will rise, but not as much. I like to go ahead and almost fill them up so I can have that nice peak at the top of my muffins. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to fill the cups, and then we're going to bake them for 25 to 30 minutes, depending at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, but depending on your oven temperature. And we're just going to go ahead and fill them up and bake. And when we're back, you'll get to see my finished muffin, pistachio muffin. This recipe is so amazing. My family just loves it. I think your family will also love it too. So when you do try it, be sure to come back and let me know how you enjoyed and how your family enjoys it as well. So I'll see you in a minute. Guys, look at these muffins. Amazing! They look good. They look good, smell so good. I can't try it yet, so I'm gonna take a little break and come back so I can try them because it's hot. It's hot in my kitchen. Guys, it's still hot, but I'm still gonna try it because I can't wait. It's gonna take too long. Okay, so it's hot, but look at the texture. Perfect texture, moist. Can you see the steam coming from it? Look at the colors. I can literally see the green pistachios. So good, so flavorful, perfect for breakfast or dessert. You can put some icing on it, make it a cupcake, whatever, but they're so good on their own. You've got to try this. Have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you haven't, please do so. Click on the notification bell so that you can be updated on all my latest recipes. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.